What's up everyone, welcome back to Getting Started in Streaming. In this video I'm going to show you how you can control your Voicemeter through your StreamDeck using Voicemeter macros. So you can do something like switch your speakers to your headphones when you're playing games and then switch them back without actually having to manually click. So let's get started. To begin with, we need to download Voicemeter macro buttons controller. So you're just going to come to this address. I'm going to put this in the description and you can download the Voicemeter macros buttons controller. Once you have it installed, you're just going to see one button here. The more you expand it, the more buttons are going to show up. Now we want to switch from our speakers, which is our A2, to our headphones, which is the A1. And you can see I'm doing this on my hi-fi cable. And take note of this yellow text at the top here for API. We're going to need that to do our button. So we're going to right click on a blank button here, and we're going to give it a button name. I called this one hi-fi switch. Now you want to also give it two positions, so an on and an off state. And you want to uncheck key repeat. This will be on by default, so turn that off. This is if you want to say use it as a volume controller where you can just hold the button down and it'll keep increasing or decreasing the volume. That's what you use key repeat for. And now we need to go ahead and say what we want to control. The initial state is when the macros first start, when you load up Voicemeter. This is going to check the initial state to make sure everything is the way it should be. So as we see here, I want my normal initial state to have my speakers on and my headphones off. So if I come over with my mouse and I hover over A2, you can see here at the top, it says stripe 3, A2 equals 1. And if I go to my headphones, stripe 3, A1 equals 0. And as you can see here, it's reflected in the same way. So now when I want the on state, which is when I want to switch to my headphones, I want it to turn off my speakers. So turn it from 1 to 0 and turn my headphones from 0 to 1. And then the off state, when I press it again, I want it to go back to the initial state pretty much. That's all you really need to do to set up a macro inside of Voicemeter. You just need to know what are you trying to control. So your stripe, and then what aspect you're trying to also control, which is the button, or you were trying to do this reverb or anything like that. You can see here at the top in the yellow text, it gives you all the different commands that you have access to. So once we close that, if we just click the button, you'll see it works. But I don't want to click the button like a poor person. I can just do this instead. I want to control it through my StreamDeck. So now what we need to do is we need to go to the plugins area of StreamDeck, and we actually need to get the Voicemeter official pack. So if you type in Voicemeter, you'll see here, there's the Voicemeter integration by Bar Raider. So you want to download that. Once it's installed, you come down to Voicemeter. Now, if you want to do it very simply, you can just bring your macro button toggle over and you can set your logical ID. What is a logical ID? Come back to your macro, right click to open up the code area again, and look at the very top. You'll see logical ID equals 0. So that is our logical ID. We want it set to toggle mode or push mode. I'm putting it to toggle. And now you can set a title. So hi-fi. And then enable text, it's, headphones on, speakers on, something like that. And now when you press it, it will work just as you would expect. But that's not what we want though. This is not what you want. What you want to do is come up to your multi-action and go to multi-action switch. This is going to give you access to an on and an off state. So we're going to start by doing our graphic. So just for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to use this blue folder. And for the off state, I'm going to use this play button. Now what you want to do is bring the macro toggle over. And now you can set a toggle. So you can say hi-fi on. Still logical ID, still the same thing. And that's the state. Oh, so this is actually in state 2. So we're going to say hi-fi off. And now we want to say, as we bring another toggle in here, hi-fi on. And now if I press this, we should go from the folder to whatever the hell the other icon I picked was. See, there you go. So now you can actually have a representation on your StreamDeck of what state you're in. Of course, you can be more elaborate like I have here, where I have hi-fi on and that switches to the headphone graphic. You can do that, but this is a very quick and dirty example of how to set up macros and input and output controls with your Voicemeter potato. Hope this video helped you. If it did, hey, why don't you give it a sub, why don't you leave a comment, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Happy streaming.